Songu Laser will participate in China International Furniture Fair Guangzhou 2026. We sincerely invite you to visit us from March 28 to 31 at Guangzhou Canton Fair Complex, Pazhou Hall, and explore our laser processing solution at booth 12.1E01. Songu Laser sincerely thanks China National Furniture Association, China Foreign Trade Center Group Company, and other organizers for creating this industrial event covering the entire furniture supply chain.
With 20 years of experience in the laser industry, Songu Laser is dedicated to providing efficient, intelligent laser processing solutions for the furniture manufacturing sector. At this exhibition, we will showcase applications such as metal furniture, structure, tool processing, and cutting furniture material, highlighting the advantage of laser technology in improving production efficiency, processing accuracy, and automation.
We're looking forward to seeing you at Guangzhou and discuss how laser technology can drive high-quality development in furniture industry. Welcome to visit us at booth for face-to-face exchange.